Why didn't you tell us? I can't believe we're living with your best friend who's gay.
Hindi nila alam na bading ka.
It seems that your boyfriend is not proud of you.
Alex, it makes me wonder, how much time do you need? Kasi kung hindi mo pa kaya, you have to let go of our son. We deserve someone better.
What are people going to say? Baka sabihin pa nila na I'm bading? Just because I live with one?
I know, right?
Nirespeto ko mga pamangkin mo. Pero kung ngayon pa lang alam na nila na bakla ako at ayaw na nila sa akin, it doesn't help na we're keeping our relationship.
Pang?
Alex?
Dito ka na pala nagtuturo?
Mga anak mo?
Hindi. Mga pamangkin ko.
Binaunang ka pa, wala ka naman dalang istorya!
Kukulitin ko si Colonel Esquivel, magsasalita ho yun.
Dapat lang.
How do you know my Tito Alex? Niligawan niya ako. Niligawan? That's courting. Still tired from work. Yeah.
Babe! Mr. Water!
Babe?
Welcome home from school.
Babe! Here's your water, babe! Yeah, your water!
You sure are full of surprises, Tito Marcus.
Yes.
Masarap ng luto mo
Siyempre, special yan eh.
I can't take it. Nag-e-enjoy ka na nakikipaglandian dyan kay Dean.
I deserve someone better. Yung kaya akong panindigan at ipagmalaki.
What are you doing?
Are you really together?
What's happening?
I saw him cheating with Madel.
What is it, Teddy?
I'm gay.
What?
Si Tito Marcus nyo yung boyfriend ko.
This is already so confusing.
Yeah. First, we all thought they were straight. Then Tito Marcus turns out to be gay, and Tito Dean is his boyfriend. But actually, Tito Alex is a true boyfriend. Is it bad to have a boyfriend? Not
Yes.
really.
Paige.
Come to think of it, maybe it's not that bad.
Paige, boys can't have boyfriends.
Why not?
Because they're boys.
Then why was it okay when we thought that Tito Dean was Tito Marcus's boyfriend, huh?
That's because Tito Marcus and Tito Dean, they aren't our relatives. So, Tito Alex, okay? He's our uncle, by blood. We have to do something about this.
And what is it exactly?
What is this all about?
We just want to interrogate you.
Go!
Why do you like another boy? Is it fun?
It depends on the person you like.
Is it bad liking another boy?
No. Is it bad liking another person?
No.
See?
So, how long have you been gay? And how did you find out?
What kind of gay are you? Are you conservative or promiscuous?
Oh, wait.
Just answer our question.
Okay!
How many boyfriends have you had?
4.
Your Tito Marcus is my first.
Yeah, because ex-girlfriend must see Teacher Pam, right?
What?
No, come on guys. I know you're having a hard time accepting our situation. But ito kami oh. Come on, nagpapakatotoo na kami para sa inyo.
Yeah. And we love each other and sana matanggap niyo.
Well...
Paige, you're supposed to be on my side.
I mean, no! You can't be in love. No.
But we do. And will always be.
Lance, why aren't you packing your things?
Because I don't want to leave.
I'm the eldest. And when I tell you to pack your things, pack them now.
Kuya!
Kuya, I think Lance has a point. Where do we go?
Let's just figure out things when we're out of here. Okay? Now pack your bags.
Guys, gising pa ba kayo?
Pack your things.
Pwede ba akong makapasok?
We'll leave when they're asleep.
You can enter now, Toddy.
I brought you ice cream.
Yay!
What is this for? A bribe?
Actually, this is my way of saying sorry for lying to you guys. I know this is not enough. At alam ko hindi niyo matatanggap agad yun. But, I'll wait for that day. Na matanggap niyo ako wholeheartedly.
Yeah, you're right. This won't be easy. But we'll try our best. I mean, what other choice do we have, right? You're the only legal guardian that we still have.
Thank you. And, also, can I ask a favor from you?
What is it, Toddy?
Guys, let's keep this as a secret. As a family secret, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Good night, guys.
Night. Good night.
What now?
Fine. We're not leaving anymore.
Yay!
I hate my life. My life sucks. I hate my mom for leaving me. And I hate Tito Alex for being gay. And for forcing us to live with his partner.
I think it would be a good idea kung sasali ka dyan.
I'll think about it po.
Basta if you ever need to talk to anyone about anything, lapit ka lang sa akin, ha?
Miss, I have a question.
Ano yun?
What if you know two people who shouldn't be together but are in a relationship?
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
What I mean is, you kind of know that it's kind of wrong for them to be in love with each other, but they are in love with each other.
Sa pag-ibig, wala namang tama o mali. You cannot control love. You just feel it. And then the next thing you know, you can't live your life without the other person.
I see.
Why? Meron ka bang kilala na nasa ganung sitwasyon?
Wala po.
Okay. By the way, it's nice that you're trying your best to speak Tagalog.
Well, Tito Alex is really encouraging us. Para matuto kami makibagay with the people. It's pretty hard, but it's fun.
Just keep practicing. You'll get a hang of it.
Salamat po.
What would you do if you had 2 daddies?
Paano yun? Dalawa tatay mo?
I'm just asking.
Eh di kung may 2 dads ako, eh di cool yun.
You think so?
Ako din, gusto ko yun. Makakapagpabili ako ng maraming cars. Tapos, 2 trip to arcade palagi. Oo nga. Di ba ang saya nun? Oo. Makakapagpabili ka ng cars.
Break up with him.
Break up agad? Alam mo kaya wala kang tumatagal na relasyon eh.
When things get tough, that's my sign to leave.
Well, I love Alex.
Eh, paano nga yung mga bata? Hindi kayo makakahinga ng mabuti hanggat hindi kayo tanggap ng buo.
We're getting there, okay?
Hindi. I doubt it.
Salamat ah. What will I ever do kung wala ka?
Bro, mahal kita. Alam mo yon.
Talaga? Mahal mo ko?
Brotherly love, lul. No, but seriously, pare, and I want you to be happy. Okay? But don't expect me to tell you the things that you only want to hear. Kung kailangan kita iumpog para matauhan ka, gagawin ko.
Umami na pala kayo eh. Anong problema dun?
Eh, hindi nga nila matanggap yung relasyon namin ni Babe.
Ha? Ang weird naman nun. Eh, baka nga kasi itinago nyo.
Alam mo pare, mas maayos pa nga nung hindi nila alam yung totoo eh.
Isa sa foundation pare ng pamilya ay tiwala. Pare, mas maganda rin sinabi mo yung totoo. Kasi magalit sila. Magiging okay din kayo ng pamangkin mo.
Eh, yung trabaho mo, Alex, kailan magiging okay? Advice lang, ha? Kung gusto mong ma-promote, trabaho muna dapat yung focus mo. Saka na muna yung pagpapamilya. Ay, wait. May mga inaalagaan ka na nga pala. Good luck!
Itong kuto niya to.
Always have an open heart. Open for changes, open for challenges, and open for acceptance and love.
Hello, kids.
Hi, Tito.
Hello, Daddy.
Can I talk to you guys?
What's this about? New revelations?
Same issue.
Aren't we done with that? I mean, you already told us your part, and I guess that's okay.
Alam nyo, hindi ako magiging okay kung hindi rin kayo okay.
I don't get it. Just don't mind us. You can do your thing.
No, I can't do that. Aaminin ko sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko si Tito Marcus nyo. Pero kung papipiliin ako, kung kayo or siya, kayo yung pipiliin ko. Kasi para ko na kayong mga anak eh. Kids, alam ko nakapagsinungaling ako sa inyo about my sexuality. Kaya nga ngayon, I want to come clean with you. So please, sabihin nyo sa akin kung approve ba kayo sa relationship namin ni Tito Marcus nyo or not. Your decision would mean a lot. Can't wait for your answer, guys.
So, I guess we have to decide now.
I never thought it would end like this. Pero kung ano man magiging desisyon mo, iintindihin ko na lang. Pasok!
Pasok! Have you guys decided?
It's a yes for me! Now I have 2 taddies! What's the cool one now?
Paige?
I know I was kind of shocked at first, and I was confused whether to accept it or not, but... Duh! Who am I to disapprove of your relationship? It's a yes!
Thank you, Grant.
You got 3 yeses, Tito! You're moving on to the next level!
High five! High five! Hey, after high five, group up! Thank you! Salamat. Natapos na rin yung problema natin. Now, everything is falling into place. Yeah, let's go na.
Sandali. Atat ka.
Alam mo, babe, sinisira mo yung moments. Tigilan mo na kasi yung paglo-lotion eh. Para saan ba yan?
Anong moment?
Babe, first time natin living together. Kaya kailangan, bibinyagan natin tong kama na to. Bibinyagan natin, babe.
Ay, naka. Alam mo, sayang lang, no? Wala kasing same-sex marriage dito sa Pilipinas, eh. Alam mo, mas mag-e-enjoy ako kung binuhat mo ako sa labas, tapos dadalhin mo ako dito sa kama.
Babe naman eh. Alam mo, arte mo. Yung pabuhat-buhat ka pa naiisip, eh ganun din naman yun. Alam mo, ako kahit saan, basta kasama kita, special yun.
Okay. Sige na, thank you na rin. At least, ngayon, nafe-feel ko na talagang kasama ko sa family mo.
Babe, ang drama mo. Ever since naman, pamilya tingin ko sa'yo eh. And no thank you sa just I love you. O, tama na yan. Tara na!
Tara na?
Laban na, babe! Laban na!
Grabe ka!
Laban na, babe! Lance! Wow! Ano ba, Lance? Kala ko nag-usap na tayo kanina. Ba't di ka pa natutulog? Boxing kami dito eh.
Resting kami.
I really can't sleep. Please, let me sleep with my toddies.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay lang. Sige. Gusto mo mag-lotion, Lance? Lotion ka din, ha?
Kunin ko to, Lance, ito. Ito yung boxing gloves to, kunwari, oh.
Oh!
Tulog. Bagay sa'yo yan.
Morning, Teddy Marcus and Teddy Alex.
Good morning.
Good morning. I totally forgot na nandyan ka. I guess I have to prepare for work na.
Oy, babe, ano ka ba? Ahas ka ba? Saan mo iniwan yung mga pinag-uubalan mo? Ayun ako, Lance. Huwag mong gagayahin yung Tito Alex mo, ha?
Ito na ako.
Ayun.
Sure. Thank you.
Isn't it a bit too early para sa lambingan nyo?
You know what, Grant? Kapag nagka-girlfriend ka, gagawin mo rin yan.
Or, kung nagka-boyfriend ka. Joke lang! Kung naman. Kung kaya naman kaya na.
The food is so good.
Talaga? Pinaghandaan ko kasi itong moment na to. Gusto ko kasi kakain tayo ng breakfast every day. Kasi parang, you know, we're one big happy family. And We're like your real parents na. So, what's your plan after class?
Nothing.
I have volleyball tryouts.
Exciting! Manonood ako para may cheerleader ka.
Come on, guys! Let's go, guys!
Let's go!
Galingan natin! Lalo na sa mga nagsasabing volleyball player daw sa States. Come on, let's start the tryouts na!
Gosh, can't wait!
Paige, you go first.
Let's go, Paige! Come on, you can do it!
Go, Paige! Serve it! Paige, ano ba? Yan lang ba kaya mo? Sorry.
Hey! Anong ginagawa mo?
Excuse me?
Huwag mo ako excuse me. Nakita mo hindi pa nga ready yung pamangkin ko, no? The next time mong gawin yan, alam mo, sa mukha mo natatama tong bola na to. Naiintindihan mo? Paige, go!
Oh, dito na pala si Sir. Sir, sandali.
What now, Vergara?
Sir, wala ba kayo isang salita?
I beg your pardon?
You
Baba
can't
mo yan! Now!
Sir, you can't give me an interview when you promised you would.
Look, it's my wife's death anniversary today. Wala ba akong karapatang dalawin ang puntod niya? I'll answer your questions tomorrow. You can leave.
Sige po, sir.
Go!
Opo. Condolence, sir.
What's this?
Listahan ng mga na-mismong requirements. Gawin mo na bago ka pa mapagalitan.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Bakit ka ba kasi MIA?
I just felt sick.
Ah, okay. Sabi mo eh. Gawin mo na lahat yan, ah.
Yes, boss. Oh, what's this? This is a baby photo of you?
Oo, bakit? Yabang? Perfect ka? Bakit mo ako tinatawanan?
You kinda look like a geeky sea lion.
Yabang nito. Whatever. Huh? Is na ako.
You look like a sea lion.
Woo! Woo! Yes! Nice game! Yes! Nice! Uwi na, guys. Let's go! Let's go!
Paige, wait.
You didn't have to do that.
Sorry, hindi ko kasi kaya makita na ginaganon-ganon ng mga babaeng yan, eh. I know those types of girls. They're bitches.
Nasa kinder ba tayo? May kasama pang guardian.
Yeah.
Spoiled brat.
Tito, let's just go home.
What are you guys watching? Can I watch too?
Just promise. Sekreto lang to, ah.
Promise. Sige na. Sige. Balik. Cool, sexy girls. I've seen something like this before.
Huh?
Talaga? Yeah, but they're both guys. I can imagine it. I'll bring them tomorrow.
Okay.
Nako, sir. Hindi ka na pala chef ngayon. Maid ka na rin.
Eh kung nililinis ko kaya ang mukha mo, no? Tigil ka kaya?
Grabe ka naman. Pero pustahan, sir. Siguro nilinis mo na rin yung mga kwarto ng bata.
Eh, naman ang masama. And besides, syempre gusto kong matuto yung mga kids na maayos yung gamit nila.
Nako, sir. Mother na mother lang ang peg mo doon.
Talaga?
Sobra.
Oo.
Yes. Ay, ew! Ano ba?
Sa arte mo,
Nakakaloka ka.
Maglinis ka nga dyan.
Sige. Ay, sorry. Dito pala.
Paige? Paige? Ano nangyari sa room mo? Ba't parang dinaanan ng bagyo?
I can't find my favorite pajamas.
Then wear another one. Hanapin natin yung favorite pajama mo bukas.
Tito, I want to wear those pajamas.
Saan mo ba kasi tinago yung favorite pajama mo na yan?
I always put it beside my bed. When I arrived, everything is not in their place.
I had your room clean kasi.
What? Why did you have to do that? I never let other people touch my things.
I'm sorry, I thought mas malinis, mas maganda.
My gosh, Tito, stop acting like you're my mom, because you're not.
Grabe. Alam mo, ako na ngayon gumagawa ng good deed. Ako pa yung masama.
Babe, ganyan talaga teenagers. You don't just barge in and demand space.
Nakaka-stress. Hoy, anong ginagawa mo?
Ang ginagawa ko, kumukuha ng toothpaste.
Alam ko, pero bakit mo pinipindot sa gitna? Dapat yan sa baba.
Babe naman.
Anong babe naman? Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo dapat sa ilalim, di ba? Para basta sisimot mo, mali yan eh.
Eh babe, parehas lang naman yun eh. Ano ba?
Hindi parehas, lo. Hindi parehas yun, okay? Next time.
O, relax ka lang. Napakalit na bagay, nasa-stress ko. Nagdadabog ka. Ano ba?
Oh my God. At saka alam mo ba, yung mga maliliit na bagay, lumalaki yan. Pagparate.
Babe naman, toothpaste lang, pag-aawain pa natin.
At saka, isa pa, alam mo yung mga pinag-uubaran mong damit, kung saan mo kinakalat. Tapos di ka marunong mag-share ng remote control. At higit sa lahat, grabe ka maghilik. Ang lakas! Alam mo, matutulog ka sa couch tonight. What?
Patatas ba talagang hinihiwa mo? O ang palaya? Kunot na kunot eh, oh.
Tigilan mo muna ako din, ha?
Sinigang ba kinain mo for breakfast? Ang asim-asim mo, ha?
Paano kasi? Ayaw ko sundin ni Alex sa mga gusto ko.
In bed? Akala ko mahilig yun mag-experiment.
Hindi yun. Ibang bagay. Like sa toothpaste. Mali kung paano niya pindutin. Yung mga damit niya, di man lang niya malagay sa hamper ng maayos. Tapos kapag nagsosote siya, inuuna niya ang garlic sa onion. Ang lakas pa humilik.
Wow, ngayon mo lang nalaman to about Alex?
Well, meron akong preview before pa, pero iba pala talaga kapag araw-araw mo siya na-experience. I cannot live in a world like that. Oh my God. Yung karot, pakiugasan na nga.
Nitpicking? You cannot expect everyone na gawin yung mga bagay like you do them.
Well, ginagawa ko yung mga bagay sa tamang paraan.
For you, but not for everyone. Marcus, loosen up. Siyempre, ganyan talaga kung magkasama na kayo ng partner mo. You begin to see things na hindi mo pa nakikita before. Di ba? At saka be open, huwag kang manang.
Wow. Coming from a perpetual bachelor. Alam mo, wala akong panahon para makinig sa mga words of wisdom mo. Mother Goose.
Basta ako, I am a firm believer of this saying, we are all perfect in our own way.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
You're being a mean mommy, and nobody wants to sleep with a mean mommy.
I hate my life. Too many expectations.
Loosen up. Kids our age are really assholes. Don't let them get you down.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Outside ako ng buka pala kagabi, ah.
Pare, toothpaste pa lang yun, ha? Paano kung malaking bagay pa, eh? Di baka pinalayas na ako.
Naku, ganyan talaga yung mga babae. Iba yung wiring sa utak, kaya dapat intindihin mo na lang.
Eh, pare, kasi ang controlling, eh.
Eh, ganyan talaga pa nagsasama na. Marami ka adjustments na gagawin. Lalo na kapag tapos na yung honeymoon stage. Sige na nga, change topic na tayo. Baka maiyak ka pa dyan.
Uy, may iyak dito.
May plano ka na ba sa pitch mo?
Yun eh. Isa pa nga yan eh. Wala pa akong maisip na magandang show.
Alam mo pare, uso ngayon yung mga viral video sa internet. Yung araw-araw may bago.
Yun nga pare, pero wala akong magustuhan eh. Puro kumakanta naman yung lyrics. Puro mannequin challenge. Pare, dapat yung value pa rin. Yung newsworthy pa rin. Ano ba?
Anong bebenta ngayon?
Ano?
Yung rambulan sa kanto.
Oh, good you're here.
Yes, sir.
Let's get on with the interview. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, game.
I'll answer all your questions while I'm playing.
Wait, I have the magazines here. Wanna see? Sige,
Sige nga, sige nga.
Sige nga. Tingnan nga. Sige na, buksan mo na.
Huwag mo nang buksan.
Sige na, buksan natin.
Huwag mo nang buksan.
Buksan na natin ang loob.
Huwag na.
Buksan na natin ang loob eh.
Ano yan? Sinong may dala nito?
Siya po! Siya po!
Lance, come with me to the principal's office. Now!
Yes, teacher, come.
Thanks for reminding me about my requirements.
Wala yun. Ayoko lang na may mamiss ka talaga.
Oh, and also, thanks for accompanying me.
You're welcome, Mr. Napkin.
Can I ask you for a favor? Can you please not call me Mr. Napkin?
Sorry. Kasi sa napkin kita unang nakilala eh. At akala ko magiging palagay ang loob mo kapag biniro kita.
Joke about anything, just not that.
Okay, Mr. Napkin. Joke lang. Basta kapag may kailangan ka dito sa school, kausapin mo lang ako. Kasi kilala ko halos lahat ng go-to people dito sa school.
They were right. You're so bored with yourself, Paige. Now you're a joke to the whole volleyball team.
OMG! Girls, kinakausap niya yung sarili niya. Ingat tayo, baka biglang mag-snap.
You know what? My dad's a psychiatrist. Do you want a session with him?
I don't need it.
Maybe you do.
Nalaban ka? Laban mo, ah! What did I ever do to the three of you?
Why are you so nice to me?
Kasi po, ako yung batch rep mo. So, I have to cater to your needs.
Sorry, I just thought it's because you have a crush on me.
Ginawan ka lang ng mabuti, crush ka na agad. Wow! Ang eri ng laking states.
Where are you going? I'm sorry?
Uy! Tara sa school grounds. May rumble dun, yung Megan tsaka yung Ingleserang babae. Tara, dali!
What did I ever do to the three of you? Yapang mo! Nababad ka pa kasi!
Hey! What is this?
Humanap ka pa ng kakampi mo! I didn't start it! Magsitigil kayo! Anong kaguluhan to? Sumunod kayo sa akin, lahat kayo sa office!
Sir, is it true na ginagamit yung mga public vehicles para i-transport yung mga troso?
Alangan namang buhatin ng mga tao ang troso. Hindi naman sila superhero.
Si Sir talaga, oh. Palabiro. And then, what I mean, sir, di ba po para sa kabutihan ng mga citizens yung mga sasakyan?
Who's to say kung ano ang makakabuti sa mga mamamayan?
Okay po. Saan niyo po na lang nakuha yung mga troso?
Di sa forest. Look, Mr. Vergara. At the end of the day, hindi mo alam kung ano ang gagawin ko para sa pamilya ko. Dahil unang-una, wala ka namang mga anak. Hindi mo alam kung ano ang gagawin ng isang ama para sa kanyang pamilya.
Sir, may mga pamangkin ho ako. Tapos, ako po ang guardian nila ngayon.
Guardian?
Opo.
Oo. Pero hindi naman ikaw ang nagpalaki, di ba? Sumalo ka lang. So, iba ang disiplina.
Hello? What? My kids are in the principal's office?
Babe, sorry
Babe, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, no sorry? Wala na yun. Pero dapat hindi tayo nag-aaway over petty things, okay?
Yeah, alam mo, susubukan ko talaga na huwag na maging controlling.
Ako din, promise ko, aayusin ko na yung paggawa sa mga bagay. Kasi dapat hindi tayo nag-aaway dahil mas maraming importanteng bagay like this.
I realized that too. Alam mo, mas kailangan tayo ng mga bata eh.
Yes, babe. It's not about us anymore. It's about the kids na din.
Miss Buenaventura is waiting for you at her office. This way.
In this school, we don't believe in suspension unless drastic cases. So the kids won't get suspended, mag-a-undergo lang sila ng disciplinary action.
Sorry po, ma'am.
Mr. Vergara, I understand na siguro naninibago pa lang sila dito sa Pilipinas. Pero, I expect you guys na sana gabayan ninyo ang mga bata pagdating sa bahay para walang ganito sa school.
Ginagawa naman ho namin ni Marco sa mga kaya namin.
This is technically the first week of classes, so I'm letting them off for now.
But they messed up. Kapag may ginawang kasalanan, dapat may parusa.
You don't understand. Wala kaming kasalanan.
Ma'am, dapat po silang disiplinahin. Mrs. Buenaventura, do what you have to do. Kailangan niyo pa rin ng punishment dito sa bahay. Grant, you'll do the dishes for a week, Paige. Wala kang internet for a week. And, Lance, wala kang baon.
What? Ano itong ipinasa mo sa akin, Vergara? Ang tagal mo trinabaho si Esquivel, tapos ito lang. Pag hindi mo pa siya mapagsalita, ibibigay ko kay Hunter yung coverage na yan.
She's making the punishment so tough for me.
You know what, Grant? Punishments teach us lessons. At kapag pinaghihirapan mo ang isang bagay, mas naging worth it.
I already know about it. Every teacher and parent in the school knows about it too.
Normal naman talaga ang setup namin. may 2 guardian sa isang bahay.
Pero hindi nanay at tatay.
Bakla ang tito mo. Yak, kadiri sila.